Hi. When you power on or off your JBL Xtreme 5 or puts it into pairing mode, for example, some small tunes are played to indicate what is actually going on. If you don't like this though, these sound effects can actually be turned off. To do this, first make sure that the speaker is connected to your phone and that you have the JBL Portable app installed. Then open the app and scroll down to Product Information. Select this and then untick the box next to Feedback Tone. From here on, any sound effects are now turned off. Alright, hope that helped. Thank you for watching. Bye.